5D3 Pipe Inspection Camera Assembly Guide. Step 1. Pull the cable out of the reel. Step 2. Attach the camera head. Step 3. Plug the USB connector of the keyboard to the monitor. Step 4. Attach the soft cable to the monitor. Step 5. Turn on the monitor and the keyboard. The system is ready to start the inspection. Recording video and audio. Step 1. Insert a USB into the monitor. Step 2. Use the buttons on the monitor or the remote control. Video playback. Step 1. Press menu. Step 2. Select video playback to watch the recordings. Step 3. Select picture playback to view the images. Connect your device to the Wi-Fi. Step 1. Press the Wi-Fi button on the back of the monitor. Step 2. Install ULINK CAMERA from the App Store or Google Play. Step 3. In Wi-Fi settings, connect to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Open the app, and now you're ready to control the inspection from your device. If you have any questions about the app's features, just click Help. Find helpful tips and tricks. Follow us.